Welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how to reassign the tickets. You have the option to reassign the tickets from one help desk manager to a different help desk manager using the override feature. This will be beneficial in cases where one of your help desk manager is temporarily not available and the tickets can be moved or assigned to another help desk manager. If you need a permanent change of the help desk manager, you need to go to Transactions, Communication and Collaboration, Help Desk, and click Configure, where you can configure different people as help desk managers for different branches. For more details on this process, you can refer to our video, How to Configure Help Desk. Now to reassign the tickets, click Override under Configure. Select the actual assignee of tickets in the original assignee dropdown. Select the person to whom you want to assign it temporarily in the Reassign dropdown. Select the status of the tickets and click Assign. Please know that only raised tickets can be reassigned. You can reassign tickets with the following status, that is in progress, resolved or closed. Once the tickets are reassigned, you can use the reply option to respond to the tickets. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.